What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a weekly update and like a weekly progress growth on my Robinhood portfolio. For those who don't know, I started out with $200 and I'm growing my $200 into $1,000,000. If I grow my account by 5% a week for around 3.5 years, then I'll reach the $1,000,000 mark with my account, and I counted in taxes, by the way. So, what led to my success this week of making 5.6% today? Today I made around 1.3, but this week 5.6% was mostly by the trade of DGAS. So I bought in DGAS on Friday and I held it over the weekend, which led to huge profits. That day the stock went up around 18%. I sold it right away. I made that nice juicy profit around $8, and that was most of the contributing growth for this week. And the second stock that I want to talk about that I made a pretty decent profits on was TQQQ. So I saw this simple pattern of support and resistance, and I bought it at the support and I sold it at the resistance. It ended up breaking the resistance like a few seconds after I sold, but it's all right. I still made profits. You gotta be happy about that. So I sold it for around how would this be? That'd be around 4.5% profit, this TQQ stock. I bought it around here and sold it when it was around $44. So that was a pretty nice profit that contributed to my growth. And the third stock I want to talk about is today what I traded, UWT. I bought this stock in. I wanted to buy it the night before, but I decided to do this later around 6 o'clock, so I couldn't buy this stock because Robinhood doesn't let you trade past 5 o'clock in my time zone. So what I ended up doing was buying it right in the morning, well, almost right in the morning, at around 14.22, and I sold it around 14.90. Nice 68-cent growth per each stock. And I'm not sure how many stocks I had. I'm pretty sure it was 8. And I held it for just like the whole day, sold it at the end of the day, and made a nice juicy 5 to 6% profit, which made me around $5 to $6. That was a pretty nice profit for just one day. The only thing is that I used up my third day trade, but I'm supposed to get them back on Tuesday anyway. So that's all right. And I'm pretty sure that was worth it because making around $5 to $6 from one day trade was definitely worth it because some day trades are like 2 to 3%. So this is definitely more than the usual day trade for me. And that was basically it for this week. Other than the stocks that I lost money on, a tad bit was DWT. I lost a little bit on that one. I tried making a move with SQQQ, but I bought a little too early, and it ended up breaking the support, and it fell below. And for those who don't know, TQQQ and SQQQ are inverses of each other. So I sold it right away, just cut my losses, didn't want to hold on to a dying stock. And that was basically it for this week. That's the only things I traded to lead to my success of growing around 5.6% this week. And for those who stayed to the end, thank you guys. I'll show you my weekly growth chart on how much money I need to make to get to $1,000,000 in 3.5 years. So let's get into that. Hey guys, we're back into here and we're in the chart. So basically, on my first week, I had to make around $210. I missed that goal by around $2. And second week, I had to make $220. And I missed that by $9. It was going downhill. I was like, maybe I should restart. But no, this week I fixed it all up and I'm even above my goal. So I grew so much this week. It helped me out a ton. And my growth just exploded this week and helped me get out of the ditch I was in. And I'm hoping to keep up above the goal, above like the milestone goal thingy. You know, I'm trying to make 5% a week. I'm trying to get above that so I make more money, you know? And that will exponentially grow and will lead to me getting to that $1,000,000 way faster. And that's basically it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate a like on this video. And if you like my content, like my uploads, it'd be really awesome if you guys could subscribe to my channel. I post almost every day, except for like Saturdays or Sundays sometimes. But I still try to post consistently on those days as well. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to join my journey to $1,000,000, there's a Robinhood referral link in the description below where you can sign up to Robinhood and you we both get a free stock. So you would get a free stock. It could be anywhere from $2 to $5 to even $150. The chances are it's just all over. You could pick any stock. It's like playing the lotto. You can get any stock. You can get anyone from $2 to $150 worth of a stock like Apple. And that'll help us both out a lot. It would like jumpstart our growth. And that's basically it. If you want to grow to $1 million with me, there's a link below. Join. It'd be really awesome. Just comment down on one of my videos if you do join. I'll give you some tips on how to grow. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.